morning, good afternoon, and welcome. Today we're going to be having a quick look at how you can use Azure Boards to look at the dashboards that are available, monitoring your project progress. So we go into our project, and I've just opened up my normal home improvements project. I've got a few other videos where I show this project off in other ways. And you go to the Overview tab, and then we come down to Dashboards, and we open that up. Now I've got one dashboard here which is already set up, and in this dashboard I've got my cumulative flow diagram, which shows me the status of different work items across time. I've got my home improvement cycle time, which gives me an idea of how long it takes me from adding in a work item for it to be completed. I've got my home improvements team velocity chart, which gives me over the different iterations that I've run over the past, in this case I think I've got quite a few, nearly a year's worth of them. It shows me the different states at the end of each iteration, including the current one, which is showing me my incomplete in the current iteration and how many are planned and already completed. I've got a quick table that shows me who owns which task inside the current iteration. I've got I've got a query that's coming back with the work items by state, and that's just giving me a pie chart to show me of all the work items what kind of states they're in. And then finally I've got a burn down chart at the bottom, which is just showing me over the past few months, 6 months, the number of work items that have been completed, or product backlog items that have been completed I should say, versus the number which are still outstanding at this moment in time. Now that's how you get into this dashboard. We can switch dashboards if we have more than one by going up to the top and then choosing a different dashboard. And we can go see that I have another dashboard, which is an overview, which has got a slightly different pie chart being pulled through, that's showing me the different types of work item that are inside this project, and a different view of the velocity chart. So that's a quick overview of how we get to dashboards and see them and have a quick nose around what's in there. Thank you for your time today and have a great day.